on Junk Chevelle here. So we talk a lot on my channel about barn finds, garage finds, etc. And sometimes some of my own finds. Well, today I'm going to share with you, boom, my 1970 SS 396 El Camino. And it is 100% real deal SS car, 100% rust free. Came from the Carolinas many moons ago. You SS Chevelle guys, if you know, you know. This car, or truck if you will, 150% rust free. Original color is Gobi beige, which is what you're seeing here. It's called Gobi beige, with a black vinyl top, with a SS or Super Sport hood. As you guys may or may not know, on Chevelles, if you see this hood with the bump, it's affectionately just called the SS domed hood. If you see a little flapper back here, that is what they call cowl induction. So this car is a non-cowl induction or standard SS hood car, 100% real deal. Now, I bought this from a friend of mine probably about 8 or 9 years ago. It sat inside ever since. It went from the barn, which I'll show you the pictures. He basically did the car, I don't know if you'd say frame up, but he did all the detail work. He did everything, had the body sent out to paint. And then from there, he got it back and the car just sat. I picked the car up. Again, as you can see here, tacking or non-tack car, but the SS gauge package, which is obviously mandatory. That console is not original to the car. I actually got seats here. It was a factory bench seat car to begin with. Another clue right there, disc brakes for you Chevelle guys or non-Chevelle guys. The biggest mistake I see a lot of guys do is that they take that brake pedal right there, that brake pedal pad where it says disc brakes, and you'll see chrome around that, right? Chrome trim. That is incorrect, and probably one of your first clues that the car is not what it is supposed to be, or is not an SS car. So SS steering wheel, just your standard steering wheel. How many miles I got on this thing now? Looks like, what's it showing? 29,270 miles. Headliners out of it. Door panels obviously worse for wear, but all stuff that I have brand new. And again, rust-free car. There is no rust or rot anywhere in this thing. So you say to yourself, why would something like this be left to sit outside and languish, as I say, here in a lot? Well, quite honestly, the main reason, and this is where I need you guys to help me, the main reason this car is sitting here outside, the main reason it is sitting outside like this is because I am at a quandary. Again, this is the factory color, Gobi beige. I don't like that color. I think Chevelles deserve red. I think Chevelles deserve fathom blue. Even Fathom Green. I love the silver. Man. But from the minute I bought this car, I never liked this color. Again, it's called Gobi Beige. I'm at the point where it's going into paint, and I'm at a quandary here. I don't know what color I should paint this car. I want to go Astro Blue with the black vinyl top back on it and black SS stripes, but then it'll be non-original, right? Not original color. But then, do you keep a car, a color that's already been painted, needs to be touched up anyway, but it's already painted in that factory Gobi Beige color, which I'm not a fan of one bit. So that's my quandary, guys. And down in the comments, I want you to give me your opinion. What would you do? You got this real deal 1970 SS 396 El Camino, 100% real deal big block car. Oh, and did I even tell you? It's an air car. Let's see here if I can get the hood. I know it's just sitting on here right now. Let's see if I can open it up. Oh, that's as far as I can get right now. It got stuck back there. Factory big block car with AC. Chevelle guys, if you know, you know. It's a Kansas built car. So again, there's no disputing what it is. Let's see if I can open this up. There we go. And if you look here, you look at that motor, it looks awful clean, right? I'm going to show you a picture of this motor probably 4 years ago. I basically built this big block 4 years ago, 396, oval port heads, cam, non-numbers matching, brand spanking new. It's already been started up. It's already been run. And then the color just got me so messed up that I paused on the build. Factory disc brakes. And again, for the Chevelle guys, if you know, you know. Let me see if I can get a picture of the trim tag while I'm trying to balance this hood up, which is pretty heavy. Hold on a second. See if we can zoom in on it. There we go. Kansas built car, Gobi Beige. So again, brand new monster big block in it, real deal 70 SS 396 El Camino car, truck, whatever you want to call it, in a color that I can't stand, Gobi Beige. I'll show you a picture of one, file photo. What do I do, guys? She's rust free. She's already been painted. She's 100% real deal SS 396. Original colors were this Gobi Beige and tan or saddle interior. Can't stand it. No offense to anyone else that has one, just not my favorite. I have several Chevelles. What do? Put your comments down. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick a color, and I'm leaning towards Astro Blue. Show you a picture of that right here. With black SS stripes, because it is an SS. With a black vinyl top. And maybe ivory interior. The ivory bucket seat interior. So, anyway, as we say here at On Junk, they don't have to be pretty. I don't know, man. This thing is definitely kind of pretty. They don't have to be cute. Well, again, that is in the eye of the beholder. I think this thing is pretty cute. It's pretty cool. But I just am not digging that Gobi beige color. So, as we say here at On Junk, peace, y'all.